Let's go. And one tires up again. Such a great corner. Wow. And there are tunnels in the middle corner. What a road. What a beautiful road is there. And Mount Fuji again. Woo! すげえ。And the birds flying. And we finally can't see any Fuji here. Wow, off-road chimney is there, like in a commercial video. Okay, that was the road we are. And there is the next road. And it's getting cold. My body is shaking. Yeah, insanely shitting cold. Ah. I feel it's almost the freezing temperature for sure. What a futuristic road on the bridge. How do they make this? I can't believe that such a futuristic bridge. Wow! It's so beautiful. Unbelievable. It's a really awesome bridge. Wow. The car passing by me blown the foreign waves over me. Okay, it's cheating also. I needed to come here in the summer. Here is not for autumn, but scenery is great. Scenery is totally great. And the beautiful bridge again. Okay, I should come here my Panigale with my Panigale again. And I think we got the sun finally. At last. greater number of vehicles are coming up to the mountains. It's the beginning of a day. I was here from midnight. Steep corners here, but car is coming, so really watch out that. Wow, the steep angle is gradually changed. It's a difficult corner. I should have need to watch out the out of corner more, so that I can change the leaning angle to match with it. Oh wow, I suddenly feel the temperature was changed. It's a little warm compared to the road I was in top of the mountains. And the leaves are coming back on the trees. Wow! Yamanashi town is there. Looks great. That is a local big city, Yamanashi. I should